In today's video, I'll teach you how to update PrimeXBT app. Updating the PrimeXBT application is very important if you want to access the new features and smoother performance. Moreover, updating the app will also fix all the bugs and problems. So in order to update it, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply search for PrimeXBT. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for PrimeXBT and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it and wait for a while. If you do not see the option for update over here, that means your application is already up to date. But if you see it, simply tap on it, wait for a while. After you do that, your application will be updated and you'll be able to use the latest version of the app. So that is how you update PrimeXBT app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.